the old sticker there.
That's where I got your number from.
Yeah. I'm going out to a job. I'm gonna help someone hang a door. I'll be back on as soon as we get there. Remember, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. You can be making all this money like we are. See these areas? They're already changing out the doors. That's where I'm going to hang a door right now. They're all brand new houses. They're still building and still framing them up, and they're already getting new doors. Look at it, all these houses. You guys should be getting in here, getting your sticker on the wall. You guys will be servicing these doors for the next 20 years, just based off of your sticker. And you could run a whole crew out here, because you'll get guaranteed calls. Door up. It's been about 45 minutes. Opener there, and we're gonna go ahead and finish the panels. Hook the arm to the door, set the limits, and we're out of here. Check it out. This is the door closing. It took about an hour. Hung the whole door. Look how nice and tight the door trim is all the way around. This door is so nice. The door trim even goes around the stiles. That climate seal. So there you have it. 3,000 something later.
Oh, hey there. She's okay.
We hung the door.
I think you did.
Probably Marty that was here before, right? Okay. So you know what the problem is, right?
I do not.
You gotta, this right spring is broke in the middle there. You want to get it open? Go ahead and push the button over there. Yeah, you don't want to like lift it too heavy.
But what do we do about the spring?
No, I can change them if you want. I can do both. You're better off doing both at the same time.
All right,
and I could do it.
Yeah.
No, if you want. The old sticker there.
That's where I got your number from.
Yeah, I'll put a new one on. That one looks kind of falling apart there.
When it did come down, it would come down normally, and then the last foot and a half it would accelerate.
Yeah, because it's too heavy.
Yeah.
They both lift the weight for you. They pull on the cables on the end, and that's what actually lifts the weight. So if with one broke, it's too heavy. These are only designed to lift like 30 or 40 pounds. The door's got to be balanced. With one spring, it's way too heavy for it. Let me get everything out and start on it. When you open and close it, they unwind every time you do it.
Right.
So and I can program it for you if you want. Plus the opener will actually get used to lifting this door. It's used to the old, this is probably a heavier door for it. So it had to lift more, and then it's probably easier for it to push. But now since it's more springy, it has to push. That's why it doesn't recognize the force. That's why I had to reset it. This spring also is oil tempered, so it will last longer, and they come with a lifetime warranty on the springs.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good. Right,
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thanks.
Good luck to you.
That one there, I got $789 for easy spring change. And what I did is I put one spring on instead of two because I didn't have the right springs. So I put one that would do the same thing as two. Anyway, for all of you guys that are interested in doing garage doors, garage door repairs, we have a free lesson for you below. So click the link below and don't forget to like and subscribe. If I were you, I would go to www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. To schedule a call, you'll probably talk to me, and I'll talk to you and I'll tell you exactly what you got to do to get into business. I'll tell you how fast you can get into business. It's not a big drawn out thing. You can be making money very fast, day after day after day after day. Give us a call or sign up, www.garagedoortrainingschool.com. Over and out.